Have you ever felt like no matter how hard you work, the financial freedom you're chasing always seems just out of reach? You see others thriving, growing their wealth, and living the life you dream of, while you're left wondering, what am I missing? Here's the truth. It's not just about working harder or finding the perfect job. It's about aligning your mind, your energy, and your actions with abundance. This is where the law of attraction comes in, a powerful tool that countless successful people use, even if they don't realize it. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use the law of attraction to increase your income. Not with vague theories or empty promises, but with practical steps you can start using today to transform your financial reality. So, if you're ready to stop chasing money and start attracting it, you're in the right place. Stay with me, because what I'm about to share could change everything for you. And if this resonates already, go ahead and give this video a like. It's your first step toward abundance. Let's dive in. The first step to using the law of attraction to increase your income is clarity. Let me ask you this. Do you know exactly how much money you want to attract? If your answer is vague, like I just want more money, then that's exactly what the universe will give you, vague results. The universe operates on precision. When you're clear about your financial goals, you create a target for your energy and focus. So, take a moment to decide, how much income do you want to earn? Be specific. Is it $5,000 a month? $10,000 a month? Write that number down. Don't just think it, commit it to paper. Now, imagine you already have it. Close your eyes and see that amount in your bank account. Picture yourself checking your balance and feel the relief, the excitement, the confidence that comes with financial freedom. What would you do with this money? How would it improve your life? The clearer your vision, the stronger your signal to the universe. Clarity isn't just about numbers, it's about intention. The moment you decide exactly what you want, you stop sending mixed messages. You tell the universe, this is what I'm ready to receive. And that clarity is the first step to making it a reality. Let's talk about your money mindset, because the way you think and feel about money directly impacts how much of it you attract into your life. If you believe money is hard to come by, or that you're not meant to be wealthy, those thoughts become your reality. The universe mirrors your beliefs. Here's a truth you need to hear. Money isn't inherently good or bad. It's a tool, a form of energy that flows where it's welcomed. If you're stuck in a scarcity mindset, constantly worrying about bills or feeling like there's never enough, you're unintentionally pushing money away. Scarcity breeds more scarcity. The good news? You can change your money story. Start by paying attention to the words you use. Replace phrases like, I can't afford that with, how can I afford that? This small shift changes your focus from limitation to possibility, opening your mind to new opportunities. Affirmations are another powerful tool. Every morning, say to yourself, I am a magnet for wealth. Money flows to me easily and effortlessly. At first, it might feel strange, but over time, these affirmations reprogram your subconscious mind. Here's the key. Your current situation doesn't define your potential. You have the power to rewrite your financial story by shifting your mindset. The moment you believe you're worthy of wealth, the universe will begin to align opportunities to prove you right. Your thoughts and emotions emit energy, a vibration that the universe picks up on. If you're constantly worried about money, frustrated with your financial situation, or feeling hopeless, you're broadcasting scarcity. And here's the thing. The universe will always match the vibration you're sending out. To attract more income, you need to raise your vibration to align with abundance. One of the simplest ways to do this is through gratitude. Take a moment every day to focus on what you already have, no matter how small it might seem. Be grateful for the roof over your head, the food on your table, even the dollar you have in your wallet. Gratitude shifts your energy from lack to abundance, and that change is magnetic. Another way to elevate your vibration is to engage in activities that make you feel good. Listen to uplifting music, spend time with people who inspire you, or simply take a walk in nature. Joy and positivity naturally attract more of the same into your life. And here's a powerful practice. Every time you think about money, instead of feeling stress or worry, visualize it flowing effortlessly into your life. Imagine the freedom it brings, the opportunities it creates, and feel the excitement as if it's already happening. When your vibration aligns with abundance, the universe has no choice but to respond in kind. The law of attraction is powerful, but it's not magic. Manifestation requires action. Not just any action, but inspired action. This means listening to your intuition and taking steps that feel aligned with your goals, even if they seem small or uncertain at first. When you set your intention to attract more income, the universe will start presenting opportunities. It could be an idea for a side hustle, a chance to learn a new skill, or an unexpected conversation that leads to something bigger. But here's the thing. You have to act on those nudges. Sitting still and waiting for money to fall into your lap won't work. The universe rewards movement. Think of it this way. If you want to earn more, you might need to take a course, reach out to new people in your network, or apply for jobs that push you out of your comfort zone. These steps, no matter how small they seem, signal to the universe that you're serious about your goal. And don't let fear hold you back. Inspired action often feels exciting but a little uncomfortable. That's a sign you're growing. Trust that each step is taking you closer to your financial dreams, even if the results aren't immediate. The combination of clear intentions, positive energy, and bold action is the formula for attracting abundance. And if you've ever wondered why some people make a lot of money easily, while you, even with so much sacrifice, study, and dedication, can't prosper, if you want to discover the secrets that helped me unlock my mind and go from debt to millionaire in less than 1 year, I have something amazing for you. In my new book, Rich Mind, I'm going to show you that getting rich is easy and that what's really difficult is convincing yourself of it. If you want to put an end, once and for all, to your hidden enemies who sabotage your success and unlock your mind to make money towards the life you deserve, I will leave the official link for you to download the Rich Mind ebook here in the description and in the first comment pinned to this video. Dare to think differently. Let's continue. Fear and doubt are two of the biggest barriers to attracting wealth. When you're constantly worrying about what might go wrong or doubting whether you're truly capable of achieving financial success, you're creating resistance. This resistance blocks the flow of abundance and keeps you stuck in the same patterns. The key is to let go of these negative emotions and trust that the universe has your back. It starts with recognizing when fear and doubt arise. Maybe it's a voice in your head saying, "What if I fail?" Or "This won't work for me." When you hear those thoughts, pause and challenge them. Ask yourself, what's the best that could happen instead? Shifting your focus to possibility weakens the power of fear. One powerful practice is visualization. Close your eyes and imagine your doubts and fears as heavy chains holding you back. Now, visualize yourself breaking free from those chains, feeling lighter and more confident. Replace the fear with a sense of trust, a belief that money is on its way to you, even if you don't yet know how. Affirm this belief by saying, "I trust the process. I release fear, and I welcome abundance into my life." Let go of the need to control every detail and allow the universe to work in ways you may not expect. When you replace fear with faith, you open the door for financial opportunities to flow in effortlessly. Celebrating small wins is one of the most overlooked steps in manifesting abundance, yet it's incredibly powerful. When you take the time to acknowledge even the smallest financial victories, you send a clear signal to the universe. I'm grateful and I'm ready for more. Gratitude and celebration raise your vibration and attract even greater success. Maybe you found $1 on the ground, saved a bit of money on your grocery bill, or received a small unexpected payment. These moments might seem insignificant, but they're signs that abundance is flowing to you. Instead of brushing them off, celebrate them. Feel the excitement, no matter how small the win may seem. Here's a simple practice. Keep a journal of your financial wins. Every time something positive happens, no matter how minor, write it down. Over time, you'll see how these small wins add up, and you'll realize that abundance is always present. Remember, the universe amplifies what you focus on. When you celebrate these wins, you create momentum, attracting more opportunities and greater financial success. Gratitude and acknowledgement are magnetic forces. Use them to your advantage and watch how quickly your reality starts to shift. Trusting the process is often the hardest part of using the law of attraction, but it's also the most important. When you set your intention to attract more income, the results may not show up immediately. This can lead to doubt, frustration, or even the temptation to give up. But here's the truth. Manifestation takes time, and your job is to stay consistent and patient. Think of planting a seed. You water it, give it sunlight, and care for it daily, even though you don't see it growing right away. But beneath the surface, the roots are forming, and in time, the plant will sprout. The same is true for your financial goals. Just because you can't see progress yet doesn't mean nothing is happening. Trust that the universe is working behind the scenes to align the right opportunities for you. When doubt creeps in, remind yourself of this. Your current reality is a reflection of your past thoughts and actions. The future you desire is being built right now by the intentions and energy you're putting out. Stay focused on your vision and believe in the outcome, even if the path seems unclear. Create a daily ritual to keep your faith strong. Spend a few minutes each day visualizing your financial success, affirming your abundance, and feeling gratitude as if it's already yours. Trusting the process isn't about doing nothing. It's about letting go of worry and allowing the universe to deliver in its own perfect timing. Abundance is on its way. Believe it, and it will come. Using the law of attraction to increase your income isn't about luck or chance. It's about aligning your thoughts, energy, and actions with abundance. By getting clear on your goals, shifting your mindset, raising your vibration, taking inspired action, letting go of fear, celebrating your wins, and trusting the process, you're creating the foundation for financial success. Remember, the journey to abundance starts with small, consistent steps. Every choice you make, every thought you focus on, and every action you take brings you closer to the life you deserve. Now it's your turn. Which of these steps will you start with today? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips to unlock your full potential. Share this with someone who needs to hear it, and together, let's spread abundance. Your financial transformation starts now. Take that first step and watch the magic unfold.